I did this and this happened. I got huge amount of money after doing this. This is rice water over here. Rice water is powerful. This video is all about how to use rice water to receive big amount of money. After this, you will never beg for money again. That is for sure. My name is Precious and this is Precious Spiritual TV. If you are interested in spiritual videos, spiritual themes to change your situation around, join our big channel, subscribe now to our channel and turn on the bell so that you can always get my video. So what is this powerful thing about rice water? Rice water has a lot of spiritual benefits. People use it for different things. People use it for their hair, they use it for beauty, but I'm telling you today how to use this for money, for love, and to attract everything to yourself. Rice water is an attractor. It attracts big money to you. It attracts love to you. It's a protector. It protects you. It cleanses you. So now, I really want to get water right now. This is water. I already have my rice in here. So you can get some rice. This is rice over here. You can get any type of rice that you have. White rice, brown rice, basmati rice, long grain rice, short grain rice. It doesn't really matter what. So get some water. If you have rainwater, sea water, whatever it is that you have, spring water, get the water. All right, and the water can be warm or it can be cold. It's okay. It doesn't really matter. So now when you want to do this, you will get some rice, you will put it in that water, you will add some rice to it, and you are going to let this sit for a few hours, maybe 1 hour, just 1 hour. You will let it sit down. You can put it on your window. You can leave it overnight so that moonlight can fall on it to make it even powerful. Do you know that you can energize rice water to make it powerful? Okay, so how do you make it powerful? By putting it on your window to let sun energy fall into this, or you can leave it overnight and let moon energy fall on it. That way it's more powerful. So now one thing that is even more powerful is after putting it outside for 1 hour or for overnight, whatever time you have. So you're going to take this water, you are going to put it close to your nose, okay, and you are going to breathe into it. It's very important. Please listen carefully. This way you make it even more powerful because you are breathing big energy, good energy, life. You breathing it into the water, into the rice water. So you leave it close to your nose, breathe in and out into it 7 times. Okay, so after that, now this water is now ready to be used. So when you want to use this rice water, you can use this in the morning, you can use it in the night, you can use it in the morning. Okay, but whenever you want to use it, make sure that you have never talked to anybody. Let's say you're just waking up in the morning and you have not talked to anybody, you have not said anything to anybody. Okay, you have not met anybody. All right, so it's very important. And if you are doing this before you go to bed, make sure that you have already greeted everybody has gone, so it's now left, you are now left with yourself. So you will stay in your room in a very quiet environment. You can use your backyard and you're going to take this water. You are going to say your prayer into it. You're going to say a very powerful prayer. All right, you will say, as I use rice water today, I will never beg for money again. From today, money will begin to stay in my hand. From today, I will receive debt cancellation. I've been in a lot of debt. From today, I will never fall into debt again. I will never fall into debt again in the mighty name of God. From today, money blessings will flow into my life. From today, money breakthrough will flow into my life. You will say this word, please. It's very important. You say it according to what I said over there. It's very important, please. Okay, if you're enjoying this video right now, please like this video. I really want to share this video, and I want to comment into this video and say, as I use rice water today, money will begin to flow into my life. I will never lack. I will never beg for money again. Write it in the comment section right now. It's very important. So now, after that, now this water is now ready to be used. So you can keep all this aside. All right, you take the water and you are going to use this water to wash your hand. You will use it to wash your hand. When you use rice water to wash your hand, it washes away any negative energy, any bad energy, any spiritual problem that is not making money stay in your hand, that is making you fall into debt. It washes it away. So you will begin to wash it. Okay, you will use it to wash your hand. After that, you use some same water, you will use it to wash your face. The reason why you're using it to wash your face is to wash away any spiritual mark, any spiritual bad mark, any spiritual garment that is blocking your face, that is not making people to see you, to help you, to bless you, that is not making you find favor with people. Okay, that washes it away when you do that. So now, after washing your face, you will now use this water to wash your feet. Okay, this is to favor you, to move you, to take you to where people are going to help you, people are going to bless you. Okay, when you do this move you, it takes you to where people are going to bless you, where people are going to bless you. Okay, so when you do this, it's going to take you to where your blessings are. It's going to take you where your love is. So that's how you do that one. So you're only going to do this for 3 days. You will do it the first day, you will do it the second day, and you will do it the third day. Okay, within the 3 days, you will start to see your blessings come to you. If you're using this to manifest love, okay, you will just have to mention things that you want. That from today, I want my lover, my partner, to come back to me, to love me deeply, to love me beyond my expectation. Okay, you're going to say that, and you will see that all of these things are going to come into your life. Your breakthrough, your lover, money is going to flow into your life. It's very powerful, it's very spiritual, and it's beyond human comprehension. Okay, so you can prepare just one and use it for the 3 days. Like this, you can use this for 3 days or use more depending on how much you need, right? If you like, you can prepare this every single time, but to save your time, it's better you prepare just one, keep it, and use it for the 3 days. Within that 3 days, you must receive your blessings. If you love this video, please like this video right now. I really want you to watch the videos like this. They will definitely help you receive miracles and blessings. For more spiritual guide, join membership on my channel and you will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I really love you, and I'm sure you love me too. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.